Okay, we're heading down to the Ngorongoro Crater, and Emilian is going to tell us how many and what kind of animals are in the crater.
There's more than 15,000 wildebeest inhabit the crater, 10,000 zebras, about 400 hyenas, 100 to 130 lions, about 5,000 buffaloes. Yeah. The number of rhinos is about 60. Then we have 5,000 gazelles, thompsons and grunts. Yeah. Hippos, elands. Yeah. That's our way down. See how winding it gets. Probably some scientists are trying to check on them, if they have polio or something like that. If polio is coming back to Africa or what. So these are the Dagger boys, or the retired generals.
Well, they've had their day in the sun.
They have done their job, so it's fine. Even themselves, they are retired. So these are the most dangerous. You see that trophy size? That is a huge trophy. The one behind.
The second one?
The last one.
Oh.
Look at the size of his horn.
Wow, yeah. That's so wide.
So when you if you are a hunter,
oh yeah,
this is the size you'll be allowed to hunt.
He's backing up.
Striped ears. Go slowly.
Oh, wow.
It's hunting. Wow. So cool. Wow. Good eyes, Emilian. Wow.
Turn around. Either that or do something interesting at this end.
This is like the book that my kids check out from the library. Animal butts.
Okay, this is good. Now. How cold the volcano Bromo is? No. We're all freezing. She bought that there in Indonesia. Just had a super warm. I don't even remember where I got it. Whoa.
Once they kill,
She's pretty big.
the alpha female starts dominant. She wants to hold fire. Even for her and for her pups. It's a very successful.
What's these behind?
Looks like we've got two.
Ah, the seat, yeah.
Front yard, backyard.
And lion.
Sir, can I come for you for the bracelet?
No, thank
No,
you.
not
These
a
are bracelets with Swahili words like Hakuna Matata, Pole Pole.
Just want the necklace.
Yeah?
Elephant and sham.
It's cheap. This is about Swahili words.
No, thank you.
Why nobody's trying to sell to me?
Yeah.
I'm not the target.
These are special for the king.
No thanks.
I'll just have a cup of coffee and we'll continue.
And is Gerald up here at the
Gerard is gone far now.
Well, David, one more day.
One day more.
One day more.
This one or two, three, four at the most. 4 pieces, but not at the same thing.
Great.
Observes classes as all girls.
Here we are, we've arrived at Tarangire National Park. Jumbo, jumbo.
So Tarangire is a sort of rolling land, bushland savanna, with some bushland grasslands, with the ravines. It's a very, very good park. Lots of animals, lots of cats. No rhino. It's possible to see orange. It's a very special orange. How you call? Romeo or
Fabio.
the other one? Fabio. And above that, you never see a baobab tree. So also they consider that altitude.
I missed the last part of what you said.
I said baobab grows any elevation from 0 meters sea level up to 1,000 above.